Hey, Rogers Motor Cars here. Today we have a really nice 2016 Tesla Model X. It's a P90d dual motor, all-wheel drive. It's one owner. Got this from a previous client we've done a lot of business with. 2 keys, window sticker, books, all come with it. It's got 49,600 miles currently. MSRP on this Model X P90D was $150,000. Has every option. This does have the free supercharging for life. Very nice. It is a 6-seater with the 3rd row seats. It's got the 22-inch black Onyx wheels. The infotainment has been upgraded to the MC2 with the new LCDs. It does have autopilot, sub-zero package. It's got the tan leather interior, which is rare to find. Very clean. New Pirelli tires. Everything's been serviced and upgraded. Has the heated and cooled seats, which is the premium upgrades. The ultra hi-fi sound system. Does have summon. Take a look at the back here. Very clean. That tan interior is hard to come by on these. Let's see our 3rd row back there. Non-smoker, of course, clean Carfax. And the seat looks really good. No wear. Again, every option on this one. Does have the ludicrous upgrade, which was a $10,000 upgrade. Comes with the charger. Red brake calipers. Very clean. It's the pearl white paint. This is shut here. It does have the doors that open automatically. When you get in, push the brake, it closes. Give us a call, text, email, and we will get back to you quickly. You can see all the pictures and information on the website, rogersmotorcars.com. We hope to hear from you on this 2016 Model X P90.